Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I will guide you through the process of seamlessly integrating Mailchimp with your WordPress website in 2023. Learn how to harness the power of email marketing and enhance your website engagement with this step-by-step tutorial. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, first of all, guys, I have supposed that you have already an account on WordPress and you have a website linked to it. And of course, you have an account on Mailchimp. We have made tons of videos about how to create a website on WordPress and Mailchimp. You can check them out and come back to this video to continue with this process. If you haven't already, then follow this tutorial. Now, there is two ways to connect your Mailchimp to your WordPress. One of them is by going to your Mailchimp dashboard, and from manage here you will find some integration. So from this manage section you can simply discover new uh, like platforms. So here there are some platforms other than like there is 314 platforms that you can connect your Mailchimp into it. For example, here I'm going to search for WordPress. Here we go, and here it is. So now there is WordPress, there is WordPress plugin, coming soon page, there is other than that, but what we are going to do is connect it to our WordPress. So by clicking on this section, you can click here to get started. As you can see, the cost is totally free and it was last updated by 2020. So click here and now they will take you to your WordPress website. So basically they are going now to take me to my WordPress.com, but the other method that I'm going to show you is on my localhost, since I don't really have an original account on WordPress.com. Since you have to buy plans, you have to buy a domain name, etc. So now, as you can see, this page will show up for you, and a list with your website that you have on WordPress account will be shown. All you have to do next is simply choose one of them and confirm, and it will be connected. So this is the method that's usually what you're going to do. There is the second method, which is by going to the plugins on your website. So here we go, plugins, click on add new. And from here, what you could do is simply search for plugins and search for Mailchimp. Here it is. So here we go. Let me just search for it correctly and give it some time until it loads. And here it is. So there is a bunch of options from Mailchimp for WordPress. There is Mailchimp List subscriber form. There is easy form for Mailchimp. There is Mailchimp for WooCommerce. So there is a bunch of Mailchimp applications or plugins that you can download by yourself. Here, if you click on this Mailchimp name, you will find all the list that's been created by Mailchimp, all the plugins that they have made, and they will take you eventually to their accounts. So here is their website. So for us, we don't really need this. So this is the second method that you could do, is simply download one of these plugins. So as an example, let me just download this one. I'm going to click on it. So this is how you do it. Install now, wait for it until it is installed, and then you have to activate it. Now, once it is activated, go ahead and check your plugins from here. So I'm going to click on active plugins. Here we go. And then I'm going to search for the Mailchimp plugin. And here it is. To add or adjust the plugin, click on settings. And then from here, you just have to, let me just try one for free. So let me just refresh this page. Close this, close this, close that. And now all you have to do is simply connect to Mailchimp using an API key. So here, if you clicked on it, they will take you to a page where you can find your API keys. So here we go. I'm going to look for it. So navigate to the API key section of your account. So here we go. I have went into it. So this is the link where they are going to take you with. And then you can click on generate an API key. So here I don't have anyone at the moment. So create a key, generate key, We need labels so that you can identify this API key with. So let's say WordPress, for example. Here we go. Copy to clipboard, click here and connect. And just like that, I have connected my Mailchimp to my WordPress account, as you can see. So it is as simple as that. Just I have here some plugins. So here we go. So now all we have to do is choose a list that we have. So here it is, one list, update list. And then if you have something in this list, you'll have everything in here in detail. There is literally everything that you might need for your WordPress website as Mailchimp plugin. So there is everything in here. And this method that I have shown you is much more easier for some of you. And there is also the other method that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So this list, as you can see, it is named by some random's name, which starts with Z, Z, A, E, A, Z, E, A, Z, E. So let's try to find it in my account and check if we really have it. So here, let me just check. Let's try to find some list, for example, analytics here. Okay, automation, audience. Let's create a new something new here. So I'm going to choose, for example, regular. I don't know, begin, and let's check if we are going to have it. Add recipients. Let's just leave it like that. Got it. And then let's click on send, for example, or finish later, or literally anything you do, and you save it in your account. So from here, as you can see, this is like the previous one. This one is named untitled, or this was the one that I've made, I mean. So everything will be listed over here in your WordPress account once you add the Mailchimp to your WordPress account. So literally, this is one of the ways that you can add Mailchimp to WordPress. Everything that you do on your Mailchimp account will be shown in here. Everything that you will do or adjust in this section, which is on your WordPress website, it will be directly adjusted and changed on your Mailchimp. So both of them are now connected. Now, you may ask me, is there any second or third method that you can do that? So, yeah, there is another method, which is by using Zaps. So, Zapier is a website that can make any kind of platforms that you have in mind connected to each other's. So here I'm going to show you one of the methods that I really like to connect two platforms together, which is by just simply creating an account on Zapier, choose the like the app that you want. So Mailchimp over here, and here I'm going to choose WordPress. And now all you need to do next is choose what kind of thing that will happen and what will be happening next on the other application. And then make a zap, and right after that you have to connect your Mailchimp account and then connect your WordPress account, and after that everything will be good. Then click on publish right over here, and the two platforms will be connected and working together. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.